Hi Kapitomis, for today's episode, we're here at Kapitolyo, which is a popular food hub in Pasig, and we're here to try Lao Tai Pei. Lao Tai Pei is a Taiwanese restaurant born during the pandemic. Despite of having a very small space with limited parking, this restaurant has a good reputation when it comes to their service and of course their own food. Taiwanese beef noodle soup is a perfect orchestration of tender beef, a rich and slightly spicy broth, fresh noodles, a little bok choy, and fresh scallions. Oh, look at that! We like how tender their beef was. You can also feel and taste that their noodles were freshly made. And what we like more about this noodle dish is the soup, which is very rich and flavorful. Perfect for rainy season, right? With basic ingredients like flour, water, scallions, and salt, you can have a healthy snack. Kong Yu Bing or Taiwanese scallion pancakes is a savory treat that can be paired with any Chinese or Taiwanese main entries. It is slightly crispy on the outside and usually has a chewy texture from the inside. It is usually served with hot or spicy sauce, and if you haven't tried this dish, now is the time, guys. Taiwanese fried chicken, westernized as popcorn chicken, is a dish in Taiwanese cuisine commonly found as street snack and indispensable to the night markets in Taiwan. It consists of bite-sized pieces of chicken, coated and fried with flour and seasoning mixture. Salt and pepper is the staple condiment, while chili powder, lightly fried basil leaves are added for preference, which is fortunately Lao Tai Pei added on the recipe. What are you waiting for, Happy Tummies? Let's eat!